guess what I'm bringing you guys? As you guys see by the title of this video, it is another Michael's Grab Bag. Now, last week I showed you guys the St. Patrick's Day and it was only St. Patrick's Day. This week it is the Easter stuff and some other random things. So I went to the store that I usually go to and they had them up there. Some of them were like rinky-dink, like I kind of get a feel for things, and some of them had like 2 items in it, and I'm just like, eh, and then some of them had like some weight to it, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get that. I wish I got a little bit more, but you know what? I don't need a lot of Easter stuff, and I just was excited to see what else I could get. So then I called my other store on the other side of town, and I've called them like 3 times in the last week because I knew they were coming out, and I think they said they didn't have any. They said they didn't know when they're going to get any. So every store is different. Some stores might have it. Some stores don't. So instead of driving all over the place, just call them and ask them. They usually have them right next to the registers. So just letting you guys know, a lot of you guys are always asking. I kind of have an idea when they do come out. And I usually will get them the day I find out. I will do a video for them. So when you guys see it, you guys can go and grab them. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I think the next one's going to be probably later this summer, because then you'll start seeing all the back to school stuff and the fall stuff, so you guys will see a lot of summer stuff. So I'm pretty excited for those. But let's just dig in. I got 2 bags, so I am here to show you guys what I got. Now, they did take off the tags for me, but that's okay. So let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got. Now, I kind of knew this was a wedding one, which I'm kind of excited for, but a lot of this stuff I'm going to end up like reselling anyway so I can get my money back. These bags are usually $4. Some stores have boxes, and I've seen some stores have mega boxes. Jealous! But in here, I got a paper plate that says Mr. and Mrs. It's cute. I mean, you can't go wrong with a paper plate. I guess my husband and I, if we wanted to be really cool, we could bring our Mr. and Mrs. plates with us. Doesn't even say, like, how many are in here. Probably like 10 or 12. Yeah, so, I don't know. It's kind of cute. I mean, those are something I can use all year long. I loved themed plates. I don't know why. So, maybe for our anniversary or something. Here we got something that I think is kind of cute. And these are perfect for weddings. So I'm definitely going to try to see if anybody's interested in it. But it's table scatters. And I saw this through the bag and I thought this is kind of cute. But these are table scatters. And they say Mrs. and Mr. And then it's got the and symbol. And it's in gold and silver. I think those are super cute. So, confetti or table scatters. So, got that. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, these are awesome. So, I got coasters. Now, I don't know if these are just the cheap wooden coasters, or like the cheap ones, or they have some feel to it. Like, they're the cardboard ones. Yeah, they're just the cardboard ones, but it says Pop, Fizz, and Chill. Like, this box has already fallen apart, which is fine. Or no, Pop, Fizz, Clink. So I got one of those, and these don't even have the prices on them, so I don't know what the price is for these. And then I got 2 of them, which this is something we can use all the time. I'm always trying to like use coasters and stuff, so why not? And these are super cute. So these would be great for like parties and stuff. So yeah. The next thing we got is Save the Date cards. These don't have prices on them, but there's 8 sets of Save the Date, so I'm assuming you just circle the date and mail them out. I don't know what other information is in here, but you know what? Hey, somebody want to send those out. These are really cute. Oh my god, there's a lot of cute stuff in here. So here we got tags, Let Love Sparkle. I'm assuming you can just put these on like sticks and stuff and then have those in your food. So I don't know if there's other sayings. It looks like it's all the same, but Let Love Sparkle. Those are kind of cute little sayings. And I can make crafts out of these too. Here's another one, Always and Forever. So that is cute. Yeah, I haven't even put it a dent. I think this is all wedding stuff, which is okay with me. Vows are done. Let's have some fun. This is a coaster. So that is super cute. More coasters. Mr. and Mrs. That is adorable. Man, if I was like getting married, I would like try to figure out all these crafts that I could make with it. Another Save the Date card. Here's another coaster. All you need is love and a good cocktail. My husband is gonna be awesome. Gonna be super excited for these coasters because he likes like drinks, like having cocktail drinks. Now this is something that is perfect. There is 3 of them in here. These look like these were originally $12.99. They were on clearance for $4.99. The David Turera, I don't even know how to say his name, but it's like table labels. So it's like table 1. Oh, these are different ones. Okay, so this one would be like if you want to put it in little frames or whatever. It says like table 1, 2, if you guys can kind of see the photo for that. So that is cute. I had stuff like that when I got married. Here's little table cards so you can put the person's names on there. And these don't have a price on them either. I'm assuming they're probably around the same price, but it's that rose gold, which is perfect if somebody's having that theme. Here is another one of those and it's also, this is a gold. So I have rose gold and a gold. Another coaster that says Mr. and Mrs. And then more of the labels, the tags that say always and forever. So that was just what was in one bag. I probably got like over $100 worth of stuff. Now I do know Michaels does, they lie about their prices. Like there's a lot of stores where, oh, you're saving 50%. Well, if you think about it, their regular price is like 3 times the price at any other place. But then with their sales, then it comes out normal. So I don't know. I mean, they're way overpriced, but I think for $4 for all that stuff, that's an awesome deal. I'm going to keep a couple of that stuff. And then what I'm going to do this summer is I'm having a rummage sale. And I will show you guys what I plan on selling with my couponing and all this bargain shopping. Because why not? Why not get your money back? I mean, you can keep the items that you want and get rid of the stuff that you don't want. So here is another big item. I was excited to see what was in here. I have an idea what like 2 things are, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, when I was at the store last week, they had all their Easter stuff for 80% off, and they didn't have like a lot to choose from, but you know what? One thing that I really wanted was the Easter cookie cutters. I love cookie cutters. I love cookie cutters, but I don't like making cookies unless my mom's here to help me. But this is an 18-piece Easter cookie cutter. I mean, it looks like we got lots of flowers, baskets, rabbits, butterflies, 18 pieces. I think that is super awesome, so I was eyeing this up. I know my store had a couple of them in every bag, but I just had to. I was so excited to find that because this, again, this doesn't have a price on it. I don't know how much this is. Usually they have their prices on it. This was originally, it says Canada, $14.99. So I'm assuming in the United States it was $9.99. I'm assuming. So super cute. Got that. I got something. It says it's a neon words. I think it says, oh, OMG. OMG. It's okay. I mean, I don't really say OMG. You can use it as glasses. I guess with this, I would get rid of this, but this was originally $6.99. I wouldn't pay $6.99 for something metal. But I know when I was going through the bags, they had a ton of this stuff, so I'm like, I don't want anything like that. This is nice. I got an Easter card. It's a Hallmark. It's originally $3.99. It says, hope you find little signs of God's love everywhere you go. Easter blessings to you. So that's kind of cute, getting a little Easter card. This is super cute. It is a retro pop. So it is a patch that you can sew it, stick it, and it is a crown. It is an iridescent crown. That is super cute. I really like that. So we got something like that. Here we got another patch. It looks like it's the solar system. So that's kind of cool, and it is a little reflective. Here we got, they're like stuff you put around your shoelaces. I don't even know what this is. It's like a shoelace thing, but it's a strawberry. Treat yourself. You got some yogurt and eat some dessert or ice cream. So that's kind of cute, and it comes with shoelaces. So if you want to put those on your shoes, and they look like confetti. Or not confetti, but sprinkles. So that's kind of cute, I guess. Here's a little sign that says, life is tough, my darling, but so are you. That is kind of cute. It is originally $6.99. I could probably either keep this or I could make a DIY with something like this. Like, it's not even chipped up. That's kind of cool. So I like that. I know they did have a couple other signs in there. Here we have a Easter, it's like a box that you can put like cupcakes or something in it. A treat box. There's 2 of them in here. So this is what like the one looks like. And then here's kind of what the back looks like. It looks like, I don't even know if somebody even opened this or packages on backwards, but whatever. That's super cute. And then I saw these kind of through the bags. And these are like little mini backpacks. I think these are super cute. And yeah, it just says mini backpack. It's kind of cute. I mean, it's nice to just put stuff in it if I ever have to just put something small in it or just want to carry like a backpack with me. So I did see these. I did eye it up. I didn't know there was 2 of them in there, but hey, for that, I'm sorry I had to smell it, but for that, that was a good deal. And then they got some pictures in here. So yeah, they must have not had a lot of Easter stuff. I mean, I did see some Easter stuff, but they didn't look like they're probably just trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff. But here I got some like art. It's kind of cool. It actually kind of fits my theme of my house because like a lot of our stuff is gray and black. So that's kind of cool. I could always put that in a picture frame. And these look like they're originally $9.99. And then here I got 2 pictures of the same horse. I am not a horse person, but I have a friend who is obsessed with horses. So I could give that to her. But that is, you know, kind of cool. But $9.99 for prints, I think, are kind of expensive. But yeah, so that one was all in my Easter / clearance grab bags. Now, every store is different. I think they were just trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff. I was super happy with the wedding, especially the coasters, and I was super excited to get the backpack. I really wanted a backpack, and I really, really wanted cookie cutters. So I think it was pretty good. I mean, for $4, I got 2 of them for $8. I definitely got a lot of stuff worth for $8. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got. Now, please remember, every store is different. Every store has them out differently, and every store has different ones, and not everyone has it. I know a lot of you guys say you guys want one. You just got to call around, go shopping, and figure it out. I know one store is kind of annoyed with me because I call them a lot. But just wanted to share with you guys. You guys know what to do. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up so you guys can enjoy it. Hit the notification bell so you guys can see it when I post random videos. And I just want to say to thank you, each and every single one of you. Thank you for watching my channel. I love every single one of you guys. I love being your guys' friends. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.